Unfortunately, it has turned out that the stepper motor has only about 3 volts per coil of output if I rotate the rotator very fast by hand. You can see that here. Multimeter shows something around 3 volts. I rotate really fast. And this amount of voltage is unfortunately too small for the converters to convert to 5 volts. For example, the LM2596 needs about 6.5 volts to convert to 5 volts. And so the combined voltage of the two coils would be around 6 volts. That's unfortunately too small for 5 volt. And so I had to think of something to increase the voltage of the stepper motor. And the solution is using some transformers and for each coil, and all of the selection of spare parts. For example, this one from a microwave oven, which has a conversion factor of about 10, but it's rather large, so it could be used, but it's not recommended because of its weight. And so there are some smaller coils, smaller transformers, but it turns out that the best ones were these two, this one and this one, which convert to about 20 volts if I rotate fast. So if I attach those crocodile clamps to the output of the transformer, so the input-output is reversed in this case. Usually it's the other way around. This one goes into the wall socket and the output then is on the other side, while this time the output is on the wall socket side, so here. Now this is connected to the multimeter right now. If I rotate it now, then the output should be much higher. There we go, 7.8 point. Well, I've got it up to 20 volts in the first test. And combining those two would yield enough voltage for the converter to convert to 5 volts. And so I will use those two transformers. Question is, of course, how good the efficiency will become when using those two, because after them there are those bridge rectifiers, which will also cause some losses, and of course the converter as well. But I think I've read that transformers have rather good efficiency, so I hope that in the end there will be enough current to charge some batteries or to use some USB devices.